Alright. We're gonna microwave some biscuits and gravy in the Kia Soul. So let's do this. Power. 2. We got our biscuits and gravy going. 2 minutes. We got our laptop charging. What does that say? Plugged in. 35%. We got our freezer plugged in. We got biscuits and gravy coming up. Good morning. It's a little raining today. We gotta go get our brake repairs done. We have to go meet the brake doctor up in Tumwater, Washington. Tumwater by Olympia. It only charges $130 to put on rotors and brake pads, and the parts are $140. So $270 down the drain off the bat today. But we got biscuits and we got gravy and we got our laptop and we got some weed. An ice cold Red Bull. Good morning, motherfuckers. Now we're up at 37%.